Hi everyone, Emmy-lou here. Today I'm going to draw a prehistoric flying thing. An animal? I guess it's an animal, it's not a human. If you can pronounce that, I would be very happy. It's a PTERODACTYL. I mean, it's really challenging for me, being dyslexic, to pronounce that. But this is what we're drawing. It's going to be a flying... I can't think of the word, but it's like a dinosaur, but it's flying. And it's really cool. It's really, really cool. And I'm going to draw it in a marker pen on paper. And I'm going to colour it in watercolour pencils. But you can do it you can do it on a watercolour piece of paper maybe, with a pencil. Always draw with a pencil when you're following my videos, but then go over it in a marker if you want. But if you if you draw with a marker and you make a mistake, to rub it out with Tipp-Ex, it just won't look good. I only rub it out with Tipp-Ex because it's just easy and quick. But saying that, I lost my Tipp-Ex, but no I haven't, it's here. It's here, guys. So anyway, let's start. We're gonna do it landscape. Landscape, because if it's flying, it needs to be lying out, almost like, you know those flying squirrels? So cute. I rescued some ducks the other day. There were like 10 ducks and a big duck, like ducklings, and we rescued them. It was just so cute. So anyway, let's start drawing the body of the prehistoric flying animal. So if you're really good at dinosaurs, you will know what I'm trying to draw. So we're going to draw, let's think of it as a jelly bean. I love jelly beans. Now can you see where I've put it? It's basically in the middle of the paper, but it's at an angle. Doesn't matter if it isn't, but try and get it as an angle. And then touch that bit, and then go, whoa. Reminds me of a bee with a bee sting. Think of it like that. If you make all the shapes simple, then everything becomes easy when you draw. And then coming out from here, don't start there and there, start here. Like come off here. And do this. So you don't want to start like there, you want to start here, so it's a smooth line. Does that make sense? Right, now for the head. You're gonna go up. Can you see that? It's quite small. Try and zoom in if you can. Do you know what? I need to move it nearer. Hang on guys, I'm just in my art studio, so bear with. Right. Up, across, and then didn't mean to scream, sorry. Well, I didn't scream, did I? But I'm going over it dark so you can really see it. Can you see what I've done there? Can you see what I've done? So basically I went whoop, whoop, and then where I did the end of that, I went up, across, and then round. Right, this bit's really easy if I'm honest. You're just going to go down of an angle. So think of it like coming down like this, because we're going to go la, 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 like that. So it's almost as though it's got a beak. Well, it's a beak, I guess. It's a beak. And then we want to do the legs. The legs make me laugh because it just reminds... I don't know why it reminds me of a guinea pig flying. I don't know if it would... Would a guinea pig fly? No. Oh, obviously it wouldn't fly, but I wonder if there's a special animal that has... So we're going to pop here, just put your pencil there. And then move along. Go there. And then it's kind of like what I think a guinea pig's foot looks like, really. And then go down. And then you know where we started there? You're going to go... and then... la 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 la. And this foot's larger, like it's going to be bigger because it's more in front of you. So you're going to go, ah. It's a big foot. It's a big foot. So there we are. And then the wings. They've got big wings because it's quite a chunky body. You need a big wing. So we start off, go across, go across, go across, and then go like that all the way up. And then go down. And then you could just do some like furry bits, so then down. Can you see what I've done there? this is a bit of a challenge because think of it as like, I suppose, a blade to a knife, like a fork and knife, and you're going to go down and then give it a go anyway, see how it goes. Ultimately, you can rub things out and amend it here and there. And then where you've done that wing, just go down, float your pencil down and go out, down, and then this one's going to be going like that. So this is literally the whole bird. It's recording, but it says something, so I'm hoping it's still recording okay. After all this. Anyway, right. So we want to rub a few things out, but I don't want to use too much Tipp-Ex, to be honest with you. So we're going to do some rendering, which is basically patterns, and to make it look like it's got texture. So you could literally Google or get out a book or ask your parents if you're a child what these actually look like in real life. Not that they're living anymore, but you can look at all the shapes, you can look at all the colours, and it'd be really cool because you could get the exact colours, whereas I might do a pink one because I like pink. Right, you've got an eye here, and then round. I'm literally just adding all of the texture bits. But I'm doing it super fast because they're not actually that necessary, like you don't have to add them. So that's pretty much it. I kind of want to write BA on there as if British Airways, but it's an animal, so we won't. I've moved it there. So what I'm going to do now is, you won't see it fully how it should look because I'm going to have to rub out things and the Tipp-Ex will ruin my picture. Hence it's better if you use pencil, then rub out. There we go. So it looks better, doesn't it, when you put the Tipp-Ex? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start watercolouring. What colour? I'm going to do green and brown. So I'm going to get watercolour pencils. These ones go on like cake. They're absolutely fantastic. I just love them. They run out quickly though as well because they go on so nicely. So I'm just colouring quite quickly just to show you. But you could, once you've drawn it in pencil, go over with black marker and then do this. Let's have a look. I need a sharpener. I'm so prepared. It's brilliant, isn't it? Let's do a bit of a different brown. You can see I'm kind of doing it almost messy, but I don't mean to. Well, I probably do mean to be fair, but it's not an issue is what I'm trying to say. It doesn't matter as long as it's coloured in. I mean, if you do it super messy, it looks awful, but what I mean is, for the sake of the video, you get the idea of what I'm trying to create. That's why I'm doing it fast. Okay, let's go. I like watercolour pencils because you can do like tonal, you can do dark and light. So that is really basic, but it looks quite cool because I've outlined it in black. And what I'm going to do now is get my paintbrush, it's a pencil, and I'm just going to put water over it. I like the drip effect, which is having the artwork stand up and letting the water drip down, but some people find that messy, so you don't need to do that. And obviously you'll need to have a towel at the bottom to catch the drips if you're at home, because the last thing you want is messy paint everywhere. Oh, I just love watercolours. They make me happy. So ignore the Tipp-Ex, but that is my flying dinosaur. I really like it. I would probably, let's see if I can do it now. I'll probably get, oh, there goes something. Right, look at this. This looks quite cool. If I was to put blue ink, it's hard to show you upright if I'm honest, but I'll give it a go. Can you see that? Can you guys? Whoa. So what I'm trying to do is create this blow, like ink blowing effect of a straw all the way around the animal. It just looks really cool. You don't have to do it with inks, you could do paint. This is going to be interesting because red sometimes looks a bit like it's potentially been killed by another dinosaur, but let's think of happy thoughts. So that looks quite messy, but I'm liking it. I am liking it. If it ever gets a bit out of hand, as in it goes on the work, you can rub those bits out. And it doesn't have to be like this. It could literally be all the way round if you're flat surfacing. Because at the moment, I've got it standing up, so it's literally going down. But then you want to just sign your name. No. And then there we go. There is your flying dinosaur. Subscribe, share, like, and let me know how you get on with your picture, and I shall see you soon.